Alright guys, so we made it down here to the rivers today. We're going to try to catch some more smallies and rock bass. Really whatever we can catch. Right now I have a swim bait tied on the Ned rig, but it's really going to switch up pretty quick. I got a whopper popper. It's been raining a lot, so water's actually looking pretty clear today. So hopefully we can get after some, but we'll see what happens. Keep on catching fish. So we're going to be trying out a new color today. It's a green pumpkin goby. I saw it. Purple normally does pretty good in here. All I used to use is a green pumpkin purple flake wacky rig when I really started. So maybe this will do the same. Who knows? We'll find out today. Any of y'all need a recliner? I got a lazy boy right there. Stuff you find on the river. It's crazy how people just throw stuff and it ends up wherever it ends up. Keep the daggum rivers clean. You guys saw this spot in the last video. Came back here the day after me and Brandon came. Caught a couple. Not the day after, but a couple days later. Wasn't as good as it was in the video, but we still caught them. There's one. What we got? Rock bass. Relax. So the green pumpkin is working. See, bud? He hit it like a truck. Oh, I missed another one. So over there, close to the bank, it's like a just rock shallow. But once you come out past this rock right here, it's a drop off and then more rocks. I was about to say, and I like to sit there as I missed one. Yeah, that's really what we're fishing. Some little drop off next to some rocks. Like right there, that should be a fish. Let it sit, twitch, twitch, twitch. And there it is. Called it. Another baby rock bass. Nothing too special. See you, my friend. Yeah, if I need to catch some fish real quick, this right here is where I'm gonna go. Oh, there's a fish right there. Another one. We're moving them pretty good. Oh, it's a smallie. We might have a 3 species. Dude, he choked that thing. I'm sure you guys can see that. He choked that nether. He bent it and everything. Alright, we got it out. Baby smallie. That's a tiny. We catching rock bass bigger than that. Especially up on this stretch. He missed and I turned all up. There we go. We're back in action. Yeah, so I thought I had a fish, but it got real light, so I guess he's running downstream. And then I kept working it, and I felt him again. Someone just messed up my turd. So we're at 2 rock bass and a smallie. There's a decent one. Oh gosh, he's pulling me. Oh, it's a smallie. No, that's a giant rock bass. See, this rock bass right here is bigger than the daggum smallie we caught. See, buddy, thank you for biting. Alright guys, so we're gonna get out, so we're gonna do a little bitty wacky rig. Basically same color. It's a green pumpkin with purple fleck. So, see if we can catch any more fish. It might be good, different profile, different bait. Catch more fish. Well, they might just like the Ned rig. Oh, we're on a fish. Another rock bass, not too big. See ya. Alright, so we're gonna turn this whack rig into a Ned rig. Real simple. Cut off a little bit of it. Put the hook in there. And voila. Get yourself a little Ned rig. That's the money cast. There we go. Oh, rock bass. Oh, he stuck me. Oh, Rocky. We're gonna try this tube. See if we can get anything with the tube. That's a fish. That's a pretty good one. That's got to be a smallie. Yep. Smallies love the tube. Good old smallie. See ya. Glad we stayed around for a second. Alrighty. This is a little deeper area. There's some slick rocks. There's a fish jumping right there. I know they like to sit in that back corner. I caught a couple out of there. Like that right there. Just a rock bass. A pretty good one too. Stop it. Stop it. Get some help. Bye. Kick off. Oh, whatever you want to do. See if there's any more. I know they like to sit along that tree. Holy cow. That came back by mock Jesus. Holy cannoli, Batman. Let's try and get this out of here. There's another one. Another rock bass. There's another. Absolutely wearing them out. See ya. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. If you made it this far, please give it a like and a subscribe. Comment your favorite part. And like I said in the past videos, trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you guys for watching and giving support. Sorry for the short video. Had to go to work and didn't have much time. Had to get ready to come here. I am in North Carolina right now for work, so maybe we can get some North Carolina footage if I can find some places to fish. I don't know, might do some tying videos, brought my stuff to keep me occupied. But if you guys liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. As always, keep catching fish.